It smells sexy. Like this smells, okay, this might be my little date night lotion. Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is C.Michelle. I'm a makeup artist and beauty content creator. And today we're going to be doing a try on haul of the things that I got from Ulta Beauty. So please keep watching. Starting with the first thing is this set by Josie Moran. I love this body butter, especially in the winter months, fall and winter, when it's drier outside and my skin just needs a little bit more something. I had to get this set. For $30, you get 4 lotions or hydrating body butters. So this is the Smooth Like Butter 4 Whipped Body Butter Kit. And you get 3 different scents and then 1 unscented. So it comes with the sweet buttercream, sweet citrus, vanilla, apricot, and the Pro Retinol body butter and unscented. So let's open it up. Open the box. Here's how it looks when you open it. You have the 4 lotions. This one is the sweet citrus. So let's smell them. Let's see how they smell. So I've always had the unscented, so I'm very curious to see what the scents are. Oh, it smells incredible. Just think of citrus. It smells just like that. Look at how far this is spreading. That little bit, and it can go even further than that. Oh, it smells so good. I get more of a grapefruit scent, like grapefruit citrus, but orange, grapefruit. Oh, this smells delicious. It smells like candy, but like for an adult. I don't want it to sound juvenile at all because it's not, but it really smells sexy. Like this smells, okay, this might be my little date night lotion. And then I might put like grapefruit from Jo Malone on top, and let's see how those 2 layer. But this is the cream. Y'all, this smells so good. Ooh, all right. We're starting out with a win. I keep one of these in my car too because I just like having that rich emollient lotion or body butter. Gosh, my skin feels incredible. I haven't had a body butter that has done my skin like these, so that's why I had to have this set. So this is the Pro Retinol. I have to read a little bit about that a little bit more, but this is a body retinol. It's for smoothing and firming. Okay. We have also the vanilla apricot. Let's see how this one smells. Oh, this smells delicious also. I mean, you can't smell it, but you can see how thick and rich the cream is. If you guys are looking for a hydrating body butter for the winter, fall months, please try this. Try this product. I will have everything linked below so you can check it out. And then this last one is the sweet buttercream. Let's see. This one smells good. Definitely not my favorite. And this one has more of a hue to the body cream, so it's more of a pinky hue. The other ones were just regular color, like white. But this smells good, but gosh, that citrus one was my favorite. And then the vanilla apricot and this buttercream being last. But hey, as long as it works, like my skin feels incredible. Let's see if you can see the difference in this one having some radiance to it and shine, and then this one, you know, not having the same radiance, but just look at how hydrated it looks. Okay, I can go on and on about those body butters, but let's get into some other stuff that I purchased. I bought 2 pencils by LA Girl. I haven't shopped LA Girl in a while, but we are going to try these on right now. And this one is called, what's the name of this one? It's called Nude, and I want to use this in my waterline. It glided on really smoothly. And like you see how it opens up the eye more. And I like more of a creamy color instead of just a stark white, because it just matches with my skin tone better. I think this nudie color is better for brown skin for sure. But as you can tell, it just opens up my eye a bit more. So this is the pencil again. It's called the LA Girl Perfect Precision Pencil. All right, so let's try this black one right underneath. It's gonna give us like doll eyes. Well, okay, I kind of crossed that one over a little bit, but that's all good. But you see there how it just opens up the eye some. And you know, these aren't perfectly clean lines, but we just have an idea. Just really opens up the eye. Another thing that I got is this LA Girl, Pro Concealer. I am going to use a little bit of this right now. And if you guys like ASMR swatches or just ASMR videos, go check out the video that I posted. That should be live already. Typically, I will take a damp sponge or something to really work this in, and I will be doing a dedicated video as to why I even use an orange corrector, or what is the point of an orange corrector in the first place. But I don't know if you could tell, but I had a breakout here, or I have a breakout there, and I have some major discoloration here at the bottom area of my chin. So we're going to use this LA Pro Girl concealer to just help me with that a bit. And you have to make sure that you're subscribed to see why and how to really use an orange corrector in more depth and in more detail, because it's very important to use depending on the client. So typically, even with this pimple right here, girl, I would just turn that into a mole, okay? Turn her into a mole and keep it pushing. Y'all didn't ask for this in this video. I was going to do it off camera, but I said whatever, I'll just do it all on camera. So I am going to do my foundation. And I mixed two. I mixed the Hourglass Vanish Finish Foundation in the shade Amber, mixed with Tahoe. Tahoe used to be more of my shade, but it's not anymore. It's way too yellow, but this is way too golden. So I mixed the two just right here in the area where I want it to kind of stand out some more, or just kind of like be naturally highlighted without using concealer. It should definitely give me that effect. So can you tell the difference already from here? So when you blend the two, I'll show you that one side here. It's 100% gonna look more like my skin. You see that? And when you mix the two formulations, it's gold. Gold. All right. So there we go. So you can see how it has like that natural looking highlight on its own. Like it literally looks just like my skin. And y'all, I'm the type of artist, I always do my brows last, because I am not careful around my brows. Like, you see that? I am not careful. I want to be able to get in all the nooks and crannies, do what I need to do, and not worry about messing up my brow. I always do my brow last, because I'm going to mess it up. And look at this eyeliner, y'all. That LA girl came through. Okay, LA girl. Let me find out. And typically with this formula, I don't even need to set it with any type of powder. I mean, I'm not trying to go for that full coverage, like super glam look. If I were, I would set it some more, but I'm not. But I love how it gives me like that natural looking highlight without even trying. Okay, so I'm gonna do my brow and I'll be right back. Okay, Base is done. I feel like we're coming together, right? So let's get into some of the other things that I purchased. I bought two NYX butter glosses. Everyone talks about how good these are. I had one prior that I really liked, but I kind of forgot about them. So let's try these two on. First, let me take off my lip moisturizer. I have on the LYS Speak Love lip moisturizer, of course. We're gonna start with Brownie Drip. Yeah, Brownie Drip. Let me know in the comments if you guys use any of the NYX butter glosses, and if so, what is your shade? So I can go check it out. Or what shade do you think will look good on me? This is Brownie Drip. This is cute. I love the way it feels. It feels really good on the lips. It's like a nice tingling sensation, but not like too tingling, but I don't know. Here's the color, and then here is Brownie Drip. Here's the color, and here's Brownie Drip. All right, let's try. I really like how it looks. Like it's something I could wear every day, and I don't need a liner. Now this next one, child. We know we're gonna need a liner for this, but we're gonna try it as is. But I liked this color because I knew that with the lip liner, it would be like a beautiful nude. You know, not trying to look like Ashy Larry out here. Tell me, you guys have seen that episode of The Chappelle Show, and you know about Ashy Larry. Okay, on it's not horrible. It's not horrible at all. I low-key kind of like it. Let's see. With the little liner. You know what I'm saying? How this will look. And I am using the Makeup Forever Limitless Brown number 608. Okay, yeah, that's cute. I'll keep this on for now. Okay, so what do you guys think of this color? And Fortune Cookie Biscuits Chinos, child, the link is below. My little pimple. You know, let's turn her right now into a mole. Let's turn her right now into a mole because she ain't gonna do this to me. She's a mole. All right, so the last thing that I purchased are these Juvia's Place lipsticks, the Nubian Earth collection. I have a dedicated video to these, but I will try on one in this specific video. Okay, so we're gonna try the color Soil. I love Juvia's Place's packaging. Like, look at how beautiful this lipstick bullet is. Look at the gradient color. It reminds me of my colored rain brushes. If you guys check out my shorts, I have a whole short about my colored rain brushes. They are a beautiful ombre color. I love it. And y'all, I really like this lip combo with Biscuits of Something, child. This and the Makeup Forever lip pencil. It's gorgeous. Okay, so let's try this one color. And this is the color Soil. Look at how gorgeous this lipstick bullet is. Look at the detail on it. Like, I am obsessed. Look at this color, y'all. Ooh. Oh, this color is so gorgeous. Do you see this? It feels incredible. Like full coverage, one swipe. Y'all, these are on sale for $7.50 each. Go get them. This is the color Soil. Wow. But if you like this video, make sure that you guys are staying tuned because the Juvia's Place lipstick try-on swatches are going to be next. So you don't want to miss that. Make sure you are subscribed so you can see that. And I'm feeling this. I'm feeling this entire look. I hope you guys enjoyed this chatty get ready with me. And if so, tell me, show me, give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, leave me a comment. I really love engaging with you guys. And also make sure you check out the end screen because I give you guys shout outs for leaving comments because I love them that much. I love engaging with you guys that much. So anyway, I appreciate you watching. I appreciate your time. And until next time, Besos.